Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix no sound during calls on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Let's begin! First of all, let's simply check if we have some Bluetooth devices connected. As you can see, we do have our headphones here, and actually there is no way to even see if we are connected or not. Well, actually there is, and we want to simply expand our control center, and we'll notice that we are indeed connected to some sort of device. It doesn't really matter what type of device. If it's headphones, then the headphones are the ones that are receiving the sound from calls. So if you have no calls and yet you are connected to some sort of Bluetooth device, then no surprise you don't hear any call, because your Bluetooth devices, and by that I do mean my headphones, are the one receiving the call instead. So let's simply disable the Bluetooth, and now there is no way that our call audio will be rerouted. And now a little bit of information. At the bottom or at the top, it's depending on how you actually rotate your tablet, we have the ability to increase or decrease our sound volume. However, that is not call volume. If we click three dots and go into settings, you will notice that there is actually no call volume itself, unfortunately. However, we can actually do change the call volume whenever we are on a call with somebody. So once we are on a call, only then we can actually change the call volume itself. So once you are connected to somebody, just make sure to bump up the volume to make sure that it's actually connected and not, oh, we can do that here, if it's actually high enough for you to hear stuff. And lastly, we can just reboot our device in case of some sort of random malfunction, and we can do that by expanding the control center once again, clicking the power icon and clicking restart twice. That will reboot our phone, well, in our case our tablet, and everything should be working now. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.